Hi, this is Dr. Zorba, Pastor, with a rapid update concerning some great news when it comes to cancer. There is going to be mRNA individual cancer therapy for melanoma. This is for melanoma that has spread throughout the body. It's an amazing thing. So let me go into a little bit of research. Moderna and Merck have developed this personalized cancer therapy. It's got a name, I'll try to pronounce it, intismeran autogene therapy. It was formerly mRNA-4157/V940, but no one could remember it. It's not a preventive vaccine, but it's a therapeutic vaccine made from a patient's own tumor. That's right. It's manufactured from a patient's own tumor. They've got melanoma that is spread throughout their body, to basically get their body to identify the tumor as something it should destroy. And then basically the immune system starts to destroy the body. And it does it also with Merck's Keytruda, Keytruda, a medication which works in a variety of cancers, including head and neck cancer, Hodgkin's, melanoma, and so on. So on August 19th of this year, they talked about a study, a vaccine where Keytruda alone and Keytruda with the new mRNA was actually tested to see what found out. And it turned out the 5-year follow-up from this major study called the Keynote 942 study, which was released, information was released in January of this year, showed that the risk of death was reduced by 49 to 59%, which is incredible. Now, there have been some inaccurate vital claims. First of all, the patient outside the trials died that didn't show any benefit. But there's always noise in the system when good information comes up that there's a major step forward in any therapy. So they're now looking at regulatory approval. It's not approved yet. Regulatory approval, but this will be the beginning of personalized cancer therapy. So imagine if you go into the doctor in the future, it may happen, you've got a metastasis that cannot be treated effectively anywhere else. Your doctor may then take a bit of that tumor, send it off to a company, which basically then analyzes it, develops a vaccine to it through the magnificence of mRNA, sends it back to you, and you then get shots so your own immune system is fighting the cancer. This is a beginning of a major step forward in what I call individual cancer therapy, and something that should be celebrated. So if you see negative stuff about this on the web, remember that negative stuff is not scientifically based. And also remember, when we actually start any therapy, there are effects and there are side effects from any medication that you're using, let alone this. So it's not as if it's drinking water, and frankly, you can drink too much water and that can have a side effect. It's something that's going to be used judiciously. This is Dr. Zorba, Pastor, telling you to stay well.